Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Ladbrokes sports betting account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in sports.ladbrokes.com. After you come across this official page, click on the login button. Here you'll have to enter your email or username associated with your account and a valid password. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on I forgot my password link. And if you want your details to fill up automatically when you try to log in next time, then check the box that says stay logged in. And if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. After entering your details, click on the login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Ladbrokes sports betting account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.